Good afternoon, everybody. These are my, yeah, we're growing these indoors. It's getting a little too cold outside, so we had to bring the plant inside. This is a Carolina Reaper plant. But anyways, we're actually going to talk about RVs and the current stereo system that we do have in our outdoors RV. The outdoors RV is actually not right here right now. We'll get a shot of that here as we're going to be picking it up shortly. But never really happy with the stereo system in the RV. Works okay for, watching movies, and you have the stereo surround sound kind of in there, but not very powerful. So we've always added an additional portable speaker that we use to play music in the RV, and you can take that outside and listen to it as well. But and I'll do a comparison between the two. But we actually have a Ion party rocker in there now, and it's got a dome on the top of it that shoots lights up into the trees or inside your trailer, lights it up pretty good. But for the most part, it worked great. It sounded good. But we just picked up something new, and it is a speaker. And for the one that they make, it is the largest one that they have with a battery. So it's battery powered, removable battery. So it's not, if the battery eventually dies, the speaker's not dead. Actually, you can buy a new replacement battery for it, and it slides in and out. And I'm going to show you that right now here. So let's go inside. All right, so it is actually Halloween time. So you see as our house is, we're just starting to decorate it for Halloween. This is the JBL Party Box Stage 320. And like I said, it does have a removable battery, or you can run it plugged into the outlet. IPX4, so it will withstand some water, some splash, maybe light rain, but I wouldn't leave it out there indefinitely. So 240 watt, has two 6.5-inch drivers in it and two tweets. And I have to say, for this thing actually sounds amazing. And I cannot wait to get it inside our trailer. It is going to rock the trailer. It is 26 inches tall, but for the most part, this was the box that it came in, and we got a killer deal on this. All right, so as we were saying, this is the new speaker we're going to be placing in our Outdoors RV 270 RKS. And I just have to say that the volume and the bass out of this thing is just intense. I mean, 10 out of 10 stars. They nailed it out of the park with this one. Our other one was actually a really cool speaker. It had the strobe light on top, which you'll see here shortly. But it just had one driver in it, and I think one or two tweeters in it. It sounded okay. It sounded great for inside the trailer, but the battery in it was not replaceable, serviceable. So when you would unplug it and play it outside, it just would last less and less amount of time, just because the battery got wore out. This one, there are plenty of unboxing videos on it, so you can see that. But the one cool thing about this device is the back here. Sorry about the light here. And it's got wheels on it, which is pretty cool. Yeah, on the back here, it actually has a replaceable battery, 18 hours. And they say if a 10-minute charge, so if you run out, you charge it for 10 minutes, you get 2 hours of playtime. And of course, that obviously is without the lights going. The lights obviously cause a bigger drain on the system. Dial on the top here, you can turn it and change through light patterns. Here's the app. It's connecting to the device. And you have light controls, so you can control the type of lighting that it does. See, there are plenty of videos on how to set this up and install it, but our primary purpose of this video is just to show you the better stereo system for inside our trailer. But here is the EQ, and that's currently how we have the custom EQ set. And there are other versions of the EQ as well that you can use that they have preset for this. Yeah, the other purpose we actually can use to do this is, or with the speaker, is in the trailer, you know, you have those 4 overhead speakers in the sitting room. And if you use ARC and an iPad, such as this, and then use the lightning out to HDMI input and then straight into the TV, we use this and bring, you know, dozens and dozens of movies on this, and then you can just pipe them straight into the TV. You can listen to it through the overhead speakers, or you can Bluetooth this in to the speaker and use this for your movies, which gives you a little bit more feeling.
Eyes are yours.
Rear Admiral Chester Kane.
Maverick. Kane just pulled up to the gate. It's not too late to stop,
sample of what it sounds like here.
You know.
Sweetheart. One last ride.
Yeah, I just got to say, this speaker, you can say it's a size comparison. It's 26 inches tall, weighs about 35 pounds, I believe. All the controls on the top, these are for the microphone for the karaoke, so unless you're not using those. And it does have a carry handle as well as a telescoping like luggage handle. But very, very impressive. Okay, we have the Block Party Live and the JBL 320 here. And we are going to go ahead and do a sound comparison test between them. This definitely is not apples to apples, but you'll kind of see what we're looking for and the big improvements that this one will be, but you'll see for yourself. Obviously the audio will not sound the same on a GoPro, but it definitely will sound, you will be able to tell the difference. So go ahead and fire this one up here. And the lights, you'll see the lights that we were talking about, and there's the lights. And they broadcast pretty far. And we have some replacement lights that we purchased that we'll be putting up in the trailer, since this one doesn't have lights such as this. So go ahead and do a sound test on this one first. This will be the test for the Block Party Live by Ion, and the volume will be about halfway. So we'll do about halfway test. It's about halfway, right about there. Okay, now we'll go ahead and test the JBL 320. And you'll see the lights will adjust, showing you the level of volume on the speaker. Alright, we'll go ahead and test this song here. This will be the Block Party Live by Ion. We'll get a little bit more volume on this one. Sounds good. The bass just isn't there. It's you can't feel the bass. The walls, you can't feel the walls and the floor shake. You're rattling across the room, but you can hear it. All right, now we'll go ahead and test the JBL 320. Same test, about half volume. Bass boost is on. You can see very deep bass, very rich sounding. The Ion sounds good. The JBL sounds 10 times over better. And in the trailer, which we'll show next, in the smaller enclosure, this is a pretty great room that we're in here with open ceilings in the room to the left and to the right. So it does sound very good in this household. It does fill this whole room with music. You can feel it, which is one of the things that we were looking for, is making sure that you can feel the music. So the next one here, we'll do the test inside the trailer. All right, so we have the speaker in the trailer. And I gotta say, the speaker sounds amazing in here. It fills this entire trailer with bass and very good audio. This was an excellent purchase. This is actually what we were looking for. Speaker sits, as you can see, we have it sitting underneath the dinette. And right in the middle there, plenty of room still. Pardon all the blankets, we keep those on the couches for the dogs. Yep, just kind of keeps it a little bit more for one of these. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and give you an audio sample of what it sounds like. Let's see, we won't go past halfway on the volume, just due to the fact that we do have some neighbors here in the campground. But it's a little bit below half. Very loud at half volume in this trailer. This is what we were looking for inside the trailer here to replace our other speaker. And as you can see, we've actually added the lights again back in, just with the little portable lights. And they do come with a remote, different color schemes, different speeds. They go to the music. Very cheap too. We'll actually put a link down below in the description for the video. amazing in here. Doesn't it, Connor?
You here with somebody?
Yes, I'm here with my coworkers who are right behind me. They're being very awkward.
What is it that you do?
I'm an astrophysicist.
All right, as we demonstrated, we can play a movie through the iPad, and we go ahead and connect it up with the Lightning to digital AV connector to the HDMI input on the TV, and audio through the speaker. Works very well. So we can listen to that while watching the movie for the audio. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.